Life cycle analysis is the basis for sustainability, for the measurement of sustainability. And recycling inside of that is critical. There are multi-methods of measuring, and that's what we are addressing.
Resource efficiency and sustainability cannot be measured straightforward right now because there's not one method available. There are some methods and there's a discussion ongoing, but there's still some research needed to do it. We invented this multi-recycling approach to address permanent materials in a better way and to have like a consistent and transparent solution for implementing it in the available life cycle assessment method. Sustainability, the key finding is that you need to take into account the complete material pool first, which is very important. That you can speak about resource efficiency only if you have a material which is, so to say, permanent and which is or which can be recycled on and on. And then you can use this method, and just then it makes sense. Metal fits quite well into that because mostly you have then this criteria of permanent materials fulfilled. Probably there are some exceptions, for example raw earth probably is not counting into that, but for all the common metals which are also used in packaging, you could say they are permanent, yeah, and you can use them in this method we invented.
Good afternoon. My name is Stefan Seehausen. I'm working for the ADA Group, and I'm chairing the Environmental Commission of Empac. And it is part of the problem that there's so many standards on life cycle assessments, and as part of life cycle assessment, one impact category is carbon footprint, so there's even more standards on how to conduct a carbon footprint. So there's a little bit of a jungle with the different standards. It gets problematic when companies or LCA practitioners don't stick with the standards but set odd boundary conditions and cut-off criteria and then transfer very specific results based on a very specific situation and generalize them. And in that way, claims on that base can only be misleading. However, as long as you refer to the standard that you have worked on, it's all fine.